Hello dear students, Namaste. Myself Vyas Bhumika. Today I will teach you Standard 7th English Unit 8 Fire, Friend and Foe. Means fire is our friend and an enemy also. So be careful when you use it. It is useful and dangerous also. We have to control it through a water, but sometimes the water is also not useful for control the fire. Means when the oil is there, so the water is not useful to control the fire. So let's see this unit on fire, friend and foe. First of all, open your textbook page number 114 and take a pencil. You also have to read sentences, words or lines with me. So let's start the first paragraph. Early man didn't know what fire was, but he must have seen the damage it could cause. Early man means an olden days man didn't know what was fire, but he must have seen the damage due to the fire. Let's see next line. He must have watched lightning and volcanoes long before he began to use fire himself. Means he watched lightning and volcanoes. You know it very well. In olden days, man was used stones for burn the fire. Let's see next and last line. Fire was powerful and dangerous and he was frightened. We all know it. Fire is very powerful and dangerous also for us. And he was frightened of fire. वो फायर से डरता था. Let's see second paragraph. Fire may have puzzled early man, but we know now that fire is the result of a chemical reaction. Means early man have puzzled about fire. He did not know how the fire was occur. But now we know it that fire is the result of a chemical reaction. Let's see next line or next sentence. When the oxygen in the air combines with carbon dioxide and hydrogen in a fuel, a chemical reaction takes place. Means when the oxygen in the air meets with carbon and hydrogen in a fuel, a chemical reaction occurs. Let's see next sentence. Energy in the form of heat and light is released in this process. Means in this process, energy comes out in a form of heat and light, or it releases heat and light. This is what we call fire. Means this type the fire occurs. Let's see paragraph number 3. 3 things are needed to make fire: fuel, oxygen and heat. Means for make fire, 3 things are needed: fuel, oxygen and heat. Fuel means material for burning. Let's see next sentence. Wood, coal, cooking gas and petrol are some examples of fuel. Wood, coal, cooking gas and petrol are examples of fuel. Next sentence. Oxygen comes from the air. That is why when you blow on smoldering paper, it often bursts into flame. Oxygen comes from the air. That's why when we burning any paper, it burning slowly without flame. मतलब कि जब आप जलते कागज पर फूंक मारते हो तो उससे आग जलने लगती है, मतलब वो पेपर जल जाता है. The third thing needed to make fire is heat. Means third and last thing to make a fire is heat. Fuel and oxygen do not make fire by themselves, or else a newspaper or a stick laying in the open would catch fire on its own. Means fuel and oxygen don't make fire by themselves. Otherwise, newspaper or a stick laying means dry wood in the open place catch fire on its own. मीन्स कि न्यूज़पेपर या सूखी लकड़ी जो खुले में पड़ी है उसमें आग अपने आप लग जाती है. नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. टू बर्न अ पीस ऑफ पेपर और वुड वी हीट इट बिफोर इट कैचेस फायर. मीन्स किसी कागज या लकड़ी को जलाने के लिए हमें हीट की ज़रूरत होती है. Let's see next sentence. We generally do it with a lighted match. हम वो फायर पैदा करने के लिए माचिस की तीली को जलाते हैं. Every fuel has a particular temperature at which it begins to burn. Means every fuel has its own temperature to burn it. This temperature is called the flash point or kindling temperature of the fuel. Means this temperature is called burning point or kindling temperature of the fuel. Means इसे हम एक ज्वलन बिंदु या तो एक ज्वलनशील तापमान कहते हैं. लेट्स सी पैराग्राफ नंबर 4 given on page number 115. It is sometimes said that fire is a good servant but a bad master. Means sometimes some people said that fire is a good servant but a bad master. It only means that fire is very useful as long as it is kept under control. Means the fire is very useful, but if it is kept in under control in a small time. Let's see paragraph number 5. For instance, we use it to cook our food, warm our homes in winter and to generate electricity. Means, for example, we use it to cook food, warm our homes in winter and to produce electricity. But on the other hand, if fire gets out of control, it can be very dangerous. But in other way, if fire gets out of control, it can be very dangerous or harmful. Each year, thousands of homes and shops are damaged by fire. Each year, thousands or more than thousands of homes and shops are damaged because of fire. Vast areas of forest are also destroyed and hundreds of people are killed or injured. Means big areas of forest are also destroyed and more than hundreds of peoples are killed or injured. Yes, for example, because of fire in forest, so many trees are destroyed and animals are killed or injured. Let's see paragraph number 7 and last paragraph of this part given on page number 115. Just as 3 things are needed to start a fire, there are 3 main ways in which a fire can be put out. Means just like 3 things needed to begin a fire, there are 3 main ways in which a fire can be controlled. In each one of the 3 things needed for burning is taken away. Means from these 3 things, any one is taken away from it. Means तीनों में से किसी एक को उसमें से हटा लिया जाता है. I hope you all understood this part 1 of Unit 8 very well. Thank you.